Hey everyone, I had a couple of quick announcements. First off, I wanted to let you know that I will be in Salt Lake City to do AP test grading between June 2nd and June 10th. So June 2nd is tomorrow, it's a Thursday. We work 8 to 5 days there. It's about as much fun as it sounds. um, so I just wanted to let you know my availability will be a little bit more limited over the next about week and a half. I will still be checking in, responding to email, texts, and tweets, but I will have to do that either before 8 in the morning or after 5 in the evening. Also, that means that I won't hold my regular office hours next week on either Tuesday or Wednesday, so please take note of that. Um, but please still do ask questions whenever you have them, and I will still be working in the evenings to provide feedback and scores for the assignments that you've been doing. I'm working my way through the Unit 2 timeline assignments right now. Most of us have done a very good job with that assignment and posting to Tiki I know there was a little bit of confusion about Tiki and also there were a few hiccups in terms of people being kicked off of Tiki as you were trying to post to the timeline. Again, that can happen when a lot of people are trying to do it at the same time. So that's why I really recommend posting early rather than later. But also please note that I will use your submission to Blackboard for the time of the submission. So in other words, as long as you've submitted to Blackboard on time, you'll be given credit for on-time completion of the assignment. You still need to post to the timeline though. So if you weren't able to do it for whatever reason, technical or not, by the due date on the first Sunday of the unit, you still need to post it to the timeline within the next couple of days so that everyone will still have access to your work and be able to make connections on the course timeline. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions about that. Please review the timeline video tutorial if you have questions about how to use it. There were still several of you who have not posted to the timeline. As is noted in the instructor information section here in Blackboard, you can submit late work for a deduction. So please get that done as soon as you can. Please let me know if you have questions about completing that assignment. Finally, I wanted to let you all know that if you want to, I give the opportunity to revise and resubmit this first timeline ID step because we're all still getting used to it, getting to know it. So if you would like to do that, please go ahead and look at the feedback that I've given you. That will be at the bottom of the rubric in my grades section. So you have to open the rubric in order to see what I've written. But please do that, take that into account. You can revise to earn more points for this first timeline ID step assignment. Please let me know via email once you've completed that. If you're not updating the submission on Blackboard, some of you didn't need to update that part of it, you just needed to submit to Tiki. I will get a notification if you update the Blackboard submission, you make another attempt on Blackboard. But if you just update on Tiki, please send me an email or a tweet or a text to let me know that you've done that so that I can find your work and update your score. All right, things are going well so far. Thanks for all of your hard work. I've enjoyed reading your insights on early New Mexico history, and I look forward to continuing this work with all of you.